The Pegasus spyware is back in the news, with the Supreme Court taking on record the report of the committee it had appointed to investigate allegations of alleged use of Pegasus spyware to snoop on phones of politicians, activists and journalists. On Thursday, a bench led by Chief Justice NV Ramana said the committee had informed the court that 5 of the 29 phones examined by the committee were found to be infected with a malware. The court, however, added that the committee had not drawn conclusions if the malware used was Pegasus. The apex court also said the center did not cooperate in the probe. So what do we know about the committee's findings so far? The court revealed that the committee had submitted its report in 3 parts. 2 parts of the report were submitted by the technical committee and the third part by the overseeing committee. Chief Justice NV Ramana said the Supreme Court would make public only the third part of the report submitted by Justice Ravindran on the court's website. This third part contains only recommendations for ensuring privacy of citizens. The CJI said that this will be done as the committee has requested the court not to publish the full report in the public domain. However, few of the petitioners have sought a copy of the first 2 parts of the report. The CJI said that the court would examine their demand after going through the complete report, and the matter has now been adjourned for 4 weeks. Few individuals who had submitted their phones for examination had also requested that the report not be made public. During the interim period, the Supreme Court will scrutinize the report submitted by the technical committee. The court will thus take a call on how much of the report to release in the public domain after scrutinizing the reports submitted today. Why is the Pegasus Snoopgate a matter of concern? In July 2021, a global collaborative investigative project said the Pegasus spyware may have been used to target mobiles of powerful individuals in several countries, including India. Pegasus is a powerful spyware developed by the Israeli cybersecurity company NSO Group. The fact that NSO sells this spyware only to governments or government agencies caused a huge uproar in India. A New York Times report also said the Indian government had bought Pegasus as a part of a $2 billion package for weapons, including a missile system, following Modi's visit to Israel in 2017. The opposition was up in arms in Parliament over the alleged misuse of power through Pegasus. The centre, which rejected the conclusions of the international report, however, never once came on record to deny the charges of having used Pegasus to spy on people. 5 months later, in October 2021, the Supreme Court ordered an investigation by a panel it appointed to look into the allegations of unauthorized surveillance using Pegasus. The court had asked the committee to ascertain certain facts from determining who procured Pegasus to whether the petitioners were targeted by Pegasus and to what laws justified the use of such spyware against citizens. Besides, the court had also asked the committee to suggest recommendations on legal and policy framework on cybersecurity to ensure the protection of the right to privacy of citizens. Today's developments have led to more questions than answers. What will the apex court do next to verify if the 5 phones found to be infected with malware are that of Pegasus? How much of the probe panel's technical findings will the Supreme Court disclose when it hears the matter next month? Perhaps only time can tell all the answers. A Federal Report. Subscribe to the Federal's YouTube page for more interesting updates.